Forget coffee. Here's why green tea every morning could be your new secret weapon for weight loss and energy. Most people sip green tea but never unlock its real fat-burning magic. Are you making these mistakes? Green tea's EGCG compound can boost your metabolism by up to 17%. That's more than most diet fads ever deliver. Day 1, 2, metabolism starts firing. Day 3, 4, fat burning intensifies. Day 5, 7, you feel lighter, more energized. Steep for 3 minutes at 175 degrees Fahrenheit, drink before meals, never add milk. That way you maximize those powerful catechins. Try this for 7 days and let us know your results. Comment green tea if you're in. Subscribe for more science-backed nutrition hacks.